guy wire installation. Begin by loosely placing the provided gripple bolts into all 4 gripples. Measure to ensure equidistance between the beam clamps and fan. Attach the beam clamps to the structure. After the beam clamps are tightly secured to the building structure, clip the longer guy wire end to the beam clamp. Thread the longer guy wire cable through one end of the gripple until a few inches protrude through the opposite end. Clip the end of the 2-foot guy wire to the eye bolt of the turnbuckle. Feed the opposite end of the 2-foot guy wire through the same gripple as the 15-foot guy wire. Hook the turnbuckle to the downrod disc. Tighten each turnbuckle by hand in a crisscross pattern. Repeat this process for the remaining guy wires. Place a magnetic post level against the downrod, periodically ensuring the downrod is plumb with no slack in the guy wires, and the downrod is fully stable, allowing for close to a 45-degree angle of the guy wire. Tighten each set screw on the turnbuckles. Trim any excess cable from the guy wires, and then tighten the gripple bolts.